A lot of folks, even at the parade today, you can see wearing longer sleeves. It was a cool, damp start to our day everywhere you went. You can see Galax there, wet streets, and we've got those shower chances that are continuing to come up for you. You're going to continue to see showers everywhere. Uptown Lexington, look at this from Candy Factory locations. You've got the showers that have filled in over the city streets, and it's going to be slick out there. Even a possibility of some standing water in spots, if not some hydroplaning opportunities. Hopefully you can slow down out there and watch for that. As we have most of this rain falling overnight, we could see more than an inch now, it looks like, in the foothills and the mountains, and we've already seen that in a couple of areas. So localized high totals possible there, up to 2 inches in the Piedmont Triad. Gusty winds though, even sporadic power outages, while those are more likely toward the coast. We could also get in on the action in the southeastern Triad heading out toward Raleigh. You're looking at the water vapor imagery, had a little swath of dry air, overcame that, and all that moisture now from what was Tropical Storm Nestor is moving our way. So the center of the storm just down to the south, but it is winding up with a warm front and a cold front as it is now lifting north and east. It'll lift along the coast, and that could intensify as it moves off the coast near Wrightsville Beach area. And we'll look at showers here over Lindley Park, Reedsville area, getting in over Eden and Mayodan, Sparta, Ennis. Yeah, some good soaking rains. This is the same area that needs so much rain as they're under severe drought conditions from Davie County back west into Yadkinville. So we're looking good to at least put a little bit of a dent in it, and then more rain possible later this week. The showers filling in from Troy, now over Greensboro, Reedsville, Yanceyville, and Burlington. You still haven't seen some of the heavier rains yet. You've got light, kind of sporadic shower action. Rainfall totals, though, impressive back to the west, anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to more than 1/2 an inch getting going in the western areas of Wilkes County. You can see that 1 inch swath all the way up through Ashe County near Jefferson. And down to the south, we've had any range of rainfall, even eastern parts of Florida getting hit with 4 to 5 inches just north of Orlando, and then 2 inches from some of these showers here, even isolated totals as high as 5 inches causing some flash flooding in central Georgia. You got 54 degrees in Greensboro right now, 47 in Galax. What we would expect to see would be any localized flooding. You know, we've got leaves that could clog some of those storm drains hanging out in the gutters too. Any debris there could create a situation in your neighborhood where you've got a lot of water on the road very quickly. We're looking at some 1 to 2 inch totals with some isolated 3 inches, and you're at 60 degrees in Burlington where you haven't seen the rains start to cool you off just yet, but that happens within the next hour. So you're waiting for it. It will come in, and this is where we could expect to see even some higher totals. Precipitation rates with some of the lighter rain that you see in the blue, about 1/1400ths of an inch per hour. So we will total up over the course of another 8 hours, some 1 to 2 out there. Look at those gusts too. Those will come up 46 to near 37-mile-an-hour wind gusts out through Emerald Isle right along the coast. Meantime, inland, as that low gets closer to us, we're going to wrap in some gusts 2 to 30 miles an hour. We could see those gusts come up 20 to 30 out into the eastern foothills, but most folks in the mountains should see wind in the neighborhood of 10 to 15 miles an hour. For gusts, not too bad, at about 20 miles an hour at most. So we're looking forward to clearing the system out between about 7 and 8 a.m. Those shower chances kind of wind down. We could get a lingering shower here in northern Piedmont, Danville. Areas like Martinsville and Greensboro, Winston-Salem could still see a shower by noon. Most of that pulls away though very quickly, and your clouds start to thin out nicely. So that's what we're looking forward to. Also winds that start to drop off later in the day. 50s and 40s overnight. Those rain chances are really high. Highs tomorrow. Notice at 67 in the Piedmont Triad, a wind out of the west-northwest. Still expecting warmer temperatures with that westerly wind in the foothills. So we'll be watching for good soaking rains, and you can see here things should start to taper off between 7 a.m. and then pulling away at 9 a.m. in the northern Piedmont, and a lingering shower through noon. But by then you're clearing, and it is windy but drying out. Look at the 7-day forecast. You've got temperatures near 69 degrees and an impact day again on Tuesday with a cold front approaching. Seasonable most of the week, but thankfully good beneficial rains happening overnight.